Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for plus, dict, and str. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a dictionary and a string using the plus operator. In Python, the plus operator is used for concatenating strings, but it cannot be used for concatenating a dictionary and a string. This is because dictionaries are not sequence types and do not support concatenation. Here's an example of code that would raise this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. To fix this error, you need to convert either the dictionary or the string to the same data type before concatenating them. For example, if you want to concatenate the values of the dictionary with the string, you could convert the dictionary values to strings and then concatenate them with the string. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Alternatively, you could convert the string to a dictionary and then merge the two dictionaries using the update method. However, this might not be appropriate in all cases, as it depends on the specific requirements of your program. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.